Hello everyone, we're from Ladies First. My name is Line
And I'm Casey.
and we're here to invite you on our celebration of the International Women's Day this coming
March 8, 2026, sa Minden, Osaka. We will just put the link below sa caption
for the exact
for the
address.
exact address.
Okay, so it will be on March 8 po, Sunday po yon. The event will start at 9 a.m. No, mag-start ang registration until 5 p.m. po. It would be a whole day event. So make sure to join us. Ano bang meron nga tayo, Casey, for the events?
For the events pa, we have workshops, we have supports and speakers po.
Ayan. So, masasaya po yung mga ni-ready namin sa inyo, especially yung mga workshops. So, don't forget po, meron din po mga presentations na maganda from Japan Shosa Association. So, make sure to be there. Bye! See you!